Tolai finds Darry and they'll set to drive on him, but the Hurricanes have got in and just shoved him back a little bit. So Tolai tucked in the back. Been told to use it once, and now the advantage. The penalty looks like it's going to go against Lomax. Blues keep driving forward. Tolai's just about there. Oh, he's inches short. In fact, give him penalty try. Been reminded he's got the advantage. Intricate little move here from the Canes. Ledger slips a ball for that man. Coles does the do-si-do and round he goes, and they're still going, the Canes. Here's Barrett.
Advantage to White.
Through the hands of Armstrong. Yep. The penalty for offside against the Blues. Geordie Barrett to bring the Hurricanes back to within one, and does so. Karifi. Hooter's gone for half-time. Clark down in back play. And a penalty for the Hurricanes. So Geordie Barrett well after the hooter to bring the Hurricanes once again back within one. Does so. Sututu. Hooter again, Black. Here for Pedal Feta becoming more prominent, slips out of one hand, gets the run out, gets the offload away for Fayane, and finally the Blues string some passes together. Up inside the 22 for the Blues, Black. Out the back for Ioane, Rico Ioane trying to get around the outside and link up with Talia on the wing, ball runs down in the corner, and the Blues go side to side, end to end. Talia finishes it off.
Go back.
Not going forward all that much at the moment. Now they start to creep, and Riccatelli's got it under control. Good work from the Hurricanes pack. Is Riccatelli there, or just short perhaps? Pomateni spreads wide quickly for Rayasi. Is he stretched out? Can't quite get there over. The Blues scramble. Short for Princep, over try. Front rows it. Gone down again, and it'll be penalty Blues this time. Or Teddy Black in the final act. It's over. And the Blues are back to winning ways. They take it over the Hurricanes, 27 points to 17.